Imagine this. You're buried under a pile of dirt and poop, literally. That's your nursery. Your mom, the loving Komodo dragon she is, laid you and your 20 to 30 siblings in a hole she dug in the ground, and then she covered you up with leaves, dirt, and yes, a layer of her own excrement. Because in nature, that's what we call childproofing. She didn't stick around to tuck you in, though. Nope. Mama Dragon laid those eggs, kicked some dirt over you, and said, "Good luck not getting eaten." Because, fun fact, if she does stick around, there's a decent chance she'd eat you herself. That's the Komodo way. Weeks later, you start to hatch. You claw your way up through the dirt, gasping for your first breath of hot Indonesian air, only to realize that the very ground around you is crawling with things that want to snack on baby you. Other dragons, birds, even rats. So, what do? You run. Straight up the nearest tree. Because down there, everything wants to chew you like jerky. For the first few years of your life, you basically live in the trees like a terrified little ninja lizard, eating bugs, lizards, and whatever else fits in your mouth, while avoiding becoming lunch yourself. But eventually you get big. Too big for branches, and that's when you climb down. That's when you become the monster. Fast forward a few years. You're now 3 meters long, built like a reptilian tank, and weighing as much as a small motorcycle. You're a Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on Earth. You lumber across the sun-scorched islands of Indonesia like a prehistoric bouncer that nobody invited. You don't look fast, you don't look graceful, but don't let the dad-bod fool anyone. You are pure nightmare fuel in slow motion. Your secret weapon isn't brute strength, it's your mouth. Your saliva looks like a horror movie prop. Slimy, bloody, full of bacteria that could probably kill a Wi-Fi signal. And hiding in there? Venom glands, tiny little chemistry labs of doom. One bite from you and the victim starts to bleed out like a bad special effect. Their blood pressure drops, they get dizzy, they collapse, all while you just watch. No rush. You're not into cardio. Here's the genius part. You don't even finish them right away. You just stroll behind your victim, watching them get weaker and sicker from your bacterial cocktail of death. Hours pass, maybe days. You're basically the slowest assassin in the animal kingdom. But hey, why waste energy when your prey will deliver itself to your dinner plate? When the poor thing finally drops, dinner is served. And let's be honest, Komodo dragons don't eat politely. You and your buddies dive in head first, ripping chunks of flesh, swallowing bones, organs, everything. It's less of a meal, more of a demolition. Your stomach can stretch so much that you can eat up to 80% of your body weight in one go. That's like a 150-pound person eating a refrigerator. And if more dragons show up, chaos. Growling, shoving, even biting each other. It's not dinner. It's a monster buffet with no table manners. Venom alone wouldn't be enough. Bacteria alone wouldn't be fast enough. But together, it's the perfect cocktail, and somebody's going down. This combo lets you take down prey way bigger than you. Deer, boars, even water buffalo. You just need one bite and a bit of patience. And if a human ever ends up too close, yeah, there's a reason the locals give you space. But here's the twist. What makes you so deadly might also make you useful. Scientists study your venom to develop new blood thinners and blood pressure meds. So someday what kills deer might help save Grandpa. Makes you wonder if he's up there smirking while Darwin's still trying to take notes. So, from hatching in a pile of dirt and poop to becoming an apex predator that kills with patience and bacteria, yeah, the Komodo dragon is nature's ultimate "don't mess with me" story. It's not the fastest, not the prettiest, but definitely one of the most efficient killing machines ever created. Thanks for watching, and just hit the like button. Come on already. Subscribe. See what's next. Hasta la vista poop-covered drool monster hatchling.